Hello, I'm Dr. Sirisha and a warm welcome to you to my channel. In this video and a series of videos from now on, we shall discuss what is motivation. Okay, what is the meaning of motivation? Why do people get motivated? And what are the theories of motivation? Okay, what really makes a person do something or do not do something, or purchase some product or not purchase another product? What are the motivations behind that? All those things we will be discussing in depth in a series of videos. And in this particular video, we will try to understand the basics of motivation, like the basic meaning of motivation. Okay, so what is motivation? Motivation is all these things like the reason to act. Motivation means that is the reason behind us, behind you and me to act in a particular way or not to act in a particular way. Say, like I have, like my motivation behind doing these videos is something like I am fond of this profession, I like teaching, I am passionate about making videos. So that is the motivation which is making me do this. Okay, or somebody might not do something. Say for example, somebody might decide to quit, say, smoking or drinking habit. So what there also behind that not doing something, also there must be some motivation. Okay, either be it for their loved ones, or be it the health reasons, or be it being sober, that maintaining integrity, many more motivations. So basically motivation means that motivation is the reason for us to act in a particular way, to behave in a particular way. Okay, and the desire, the innate desire, the intrinsic desire, that desire that is very much deep rooted in our own self, in our own mind, to behave in a so and so manner or not to behave in a different manner. So that desire, that reason behind that, or the willingness behind doing something or not doing something. Okay, so basically our motivation is our willingness, it is our desire. Okay, it is very intrinsic, it is within us, and that makes us behave, makes us think, act in particular way. Okay, so it is basically the process that initiates, guides and maintains goal oriented behavior. Okay, basically unless and until we are motivated, unless and until we have that desire within ourselves, that willingness within ourselves, we cannot initiate a particular behavior, a particular goal oriented behavior. Okay, just being casual, spending the time on everyday basis, that is not goal orientation, right? Goal orientedness means you have to set certain goal for yourself, certain target to achieve for yourself. Okay, just spending time, or rather killing time, is not goal orientation. For that you may not need any motivation. And in fact, if you are not motivated in any manner, then you will be leisurely, lazily spending time and just killing the time. Okay, that is not motivation. Motivation always directs us towards a goal-oriented behavior. That is the beauty of this wonderful psychological process, motivation. Okay, so when we are motivated, we initiate a certain behavior, we start a certain thought process. Okay, a particular behavior, a goal-oriented behavior will be, it will be taking that initial form, maybe in the form of a thought. Okay, then we guide our behavior, we guide our thought process in a particular way, in that goal-oriented way. What makes us achieve those goals? Whatever goal we have set for ourselves. Okay, whatever goal we have set for ourselves, be it career-oriented goal or personal life-oriented goal or profession-oriented goal, whatever be it. Okay, so whatever the goal is, towards that, motivation is the one psychological concept that really guides the behavior and maintains that behavior. See, very tricky aspect of motivation is we may get motivated, but very quickly that motivation fades away or dies away. Okay, so that is not a real motivation. You should not allow that to happen. Okay, then you cannot call yourself motivated at all in the first place. If this morning you are motivated and after 2 days or 3 days or 1 month, if that motivation dies and everything comes back to zero, then you are not motivated. That is fake motivation. Okay, but we are here discussing about genuine motivation which really makes us drive towards the goal. Okay, so that is the maintaining part, that is consistency. That is very important. Okay, we have to be consistent towards our goal. Okay, so that is when we achieve these things, when we initiate certain thought process and we behave, or when we drive our thought process and act and behavior towards that goal, and when we maintain that thing, that motivation, then that is called motivation. Okay, that is called motivation, which is a psychological force. Okay, so some people may think or may feel that there are external outward factors which really motivate them, but basically it is psychological and it is very much within the mindset of the people. Okay, say for example, if you have the same situations and same conditions for two different people, they may not achieve the same results. The one who is intrinsically motivated, the one who is motivated from within, will achieve more when compared to the one who depends on external motivation. So basically motivation lies within our mindset or within our mind. It is very much psychological. Okay, so that is about motivation. Thank you.